Okay, 2 days Remy wouldn't eat the neem bark in his food, so I kind of mix it in at the bottom this time. Now he threw up the day after he ate this, so I don't know if it was a hairball or this, so if he eats all of this and he throws up, then I'll know it's the neem bark and he can't have it. Lily has been still eating it. And we'll see how he does after he eats this. I'm surprised he's even eaten it. But like I said, I did put it at the bottom of his food bowl and then kind of mix the food. But let's see. Hopefully he doesn't throw up. If he does, then I'm not going to be able to, I'm going to have to find something else that'll help him. But this helps their teeth and their digestive system. Or I might have to find a way to just buy that probiotic for his stomach, because that was helping him those treats. But she's been doing okay. Lily's been doing okay. Oh, he must have got a taste of it. Okay, let's see. He's walking away. Okay, yeah, he's not going to eat it. And Lily will end up coming and eating it. And I'm going to have to take it away, because I don't want her to have too much of that. Okay, I'm sorry, Remy. Mama cleaned it up. He threw up. So I know it's the neem bark. And he didn't even really eat much of it. I'm sorry. I knew when he wanted, I gave him another bowl without it in there. And I knew when he wouldn't eat that, I said, oh, he's probably going to be sick. I know, I'm sorry, Remy. I won't give it to you no more. I'll figure a way. I think I'll be able to buy both. I don't know. Because they both got digestive problems like Mama. I'm sorry, Remy boy. We'll figure it out. Come on. Come on. I know. Say, Mama. Mama. Come on. Mama, I get sick. Mama cleaned it up. Yeah. And if your cats get sick, or your dogs, your animals, your pets, don't ever yell at them or scold them. They can't help it. They can't help it. I know. You're going to be okay. I got to go take up your other bowl, though, because I bet you Lily's in there eating it. Because she's a greedy girl when it comes to wet food. Let's go see what she's doing. What did I tell you? Shut up. Lily, you still got some of yours in there. You go finish yours. See? Okay, well, that is the update on the neem bark. Where is it? Yeah, that is the update on the neem bark. So, I got a decision to make. Or look for something else that I can afford. Right, Remy boy? What is it, Remy boy? Miss Greedy there, I took your bowl up because she was eating it.